guys, Ninjani. I hope you guys are good. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to a new video. If you're new here, hi, welcome. Igama lam Azana Jezile, and I would really love it if you would subscribe to my channel. Also do turn on your post notifications so that you get notified every time I post a video. So as you can already see from the title, today I am doing the Zinc and Castor oil cream review. This thing has been making waves on TikTok. It's been trending. Apparently it works to remove dark spots, and I want to do a review and put that to the test. I couldn't get the normal clicks cream because obviously it's been trending, so it's sold out at my local clicks. But if you don't get it at clicks, you can get it at Discam. If not at Discam, trust me, your local pharmacy will have it. This is what it looks like. I got mine from the local pharmacy. So yeah, I want to put this to a test. It's day one. I've never used this before. As you can see, my skin is not too bad. This side I don't have dark spots, but this side I do have some dark spots. See, this side I've got nothing, but this is my problematic side. Just wanna currently my skin. I want to put this thing to the test. I want to be trying this for 7 days, and I want to see if there's going to be any results. But yeah, let's just open it up. That is the consistency. I can't explain the smell. I really can't explain what it smells like, but it doesn't have a strong smell at all. So I'm gonna apply this. Apparently you must apply a very thick layer and just let it sit on your face. That is what I'm gonna do. I will be doing this religiously for 7 days straight, and then I'm gonna come on camera and then I'll show you my results. Yeah, right now I'm gonna apply a thick layer of this product. In terms of the price point, this small tub, I paid 10 rands for this, and the one that is sold at Clicks, it retails for about 30 rands. They have a very big one which retails about 170 something rands, so this is super affordable. Now let's see if it actually works. Okay, I may have gone a little bit crazy. This is too much. This is a bit excessive. Okay, it doesn't smell great. Oh, it smells like oil. I guess that's the castor oil that I'm smelling. Oh my gosh. Also guys, I don't even have a drop of makeup obviously, and I have washed my face prior to this. Using the glycerine soap. I take it back, it actually does have a scent. It smells like oil. Okay, clearly I've applied way too much. I look like I'm wearing a face mask now. But yeah, I'm just gonna let it sit on my skin for the rest of the day. I think I'll wash out my skin before bed. Or I'll wear it for a good 6 hours. And then I'll wash my skin when I'm fed up, honestly. But yeah, I will do this every single day for the next 7 days. And I will come on camera and show you guys if there are results. For me it's gonna be 7 days, but for you guys it will be the next clip. Hello guys, I am back after 14 days of trying out this product. I know at first I said I was gonna do it for 7 days, but honestly after 7 days I did not see any results. So I thought maybe I didn't give the product enough time to actually work. So I did do it for 2 weeks, and now I am back to give you guys the results. So guys, I do think that this product works. I did see some slight changes on my skin. I will put side-by-side pictures, and you can be the judge for yourself. Comment down below if you think the product actually works, if you're gonna give it a try. But I will put side-by-side pictures of the results that I got, and also I will try and put the videos. I have a before video, I'll try and also do an after video so that you can watch both videos and so that you can draw a conclusion. But my conclusion is this product really works. You just need to be patient. 7 days is not going to be enough for the product to actually work. Also, when I started using this product, I did get breakouts here and there, but it was nothing drastic, it was nothing major. It was just my skin adjusting to the product. Other than that, I did not have any challenges. But the smell honestly is not pleasant. I do not like the smell, it's not pleasant, but it really works. Also, the product is very inexpensive, so you honestly have nothing to lose. My cream that I bought at the pharmacy was 10 bucks. The cream that you buy at Clicks, that's 30 rands. So honestly, you have nothing to lose. So I highly recommend that you do put this product to the test. When I see you all around my way, been meaning to say hi, but I'm just way too shy. I gotta make you see this is more than just a silly crush. And I wonder if you even notice me. You gotta feel me. Also, you guys, our skin reacts differently to certain things. So the fact that this worked for me, or I saw a slight change, it doesn't necessarily mean that you will see the same results as I did. But for the 14 days, that's the only product that I used on my face. I did wash my skin every day, obviously, with glycerine soap, and I just lathered the zinc and the castor oil cream. That's it. That's all that I've been using. Also, if you can see, I'm a few shades darker than I was the last time, but when I'm leaving the house, I always make it a point to apply sunscreen, so that's something to keep in mind as well. So yeah, that is it, you guys, for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I really enjoyed filming this. please like the video. Also comment if you are gonna try out this product. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Please get me to 2,000 subscribers. Thank you so much, you guys, for watching. I really appreciate you. Love you, and I'll see you guys soon on my next video. Bye bye.